Never throw away your old broom again. Today, I am going to show you 2 super useful tips that you can do at home. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. Here, I have a broom that is already very old. Instead of throwing it away, I'll show you something that will surprise you. This broom will come in handy, and now you'll see why. Let me know from which country you are watching us, so I can send you a special greeting in our next videos. Also, let me know how long you use your broom before changing it. Now, I'm going to take the old broom and use a serrated knife to cut out the 2 side pieces. The knife has to be sharp because this part tends to be a bit hard to cut. After cutting the side parts of the broom, you will have 3 divided parts. We reserve the middle part because for our first tip, we will only use the side parts. Remember that we will have one super special tip in which we will need the middle part. With the help of scissors, we are going to cut the fringes of the broom so that they are about 3 centimeters from the frame. Cutting takes a few minutes, so don't get desperate in the process. I assure you it will be worth it. After cutting all the fringes, you will notice that you have a stiff polishing brush similar to the ones you buy new at the supermarket. The only difference is that this one won't cost you a penny. This helps take care of the planet by reusing plastics. You can use it to clean your tennis shoes or wash thick clothes. Now, we continue with the surprise tip. We will take the part that was left in the middle and give a small cut to the end of the old fringes to give it a better shape. We will screw the middle part, and we will have a super compact cleaning tool. I use it to clean the toilet, bathroom tiles, and even the shower. This saves me from having to buy scouring pads. If you want to receive more tips like these, write me below. I want more advice, so I know if I'm doing it right. Also, let me know which of these 2 tips you liked the most. That's all for today's video. Reminding you to subscribe to this channel so that you continue to receive more tips like this.